Hi, welcome. Today we are going to see how to install Jenkins. Okay, so let me go to Google. So here I type Jenkins. I'm going to type as Jenkins, not Jenkins. Right. So this link is the official website for Jenkins. For downloading Jenkins, I go to Downloads button. I just clicked on that. So the Jenkins available like in stable version as a server stable version and also weekly releases available. So I'm going to download the stable version. So if we want any past release that we can download from past releases from here. If you want any latest version, then you can come back and download from here itself. Okay, this is 2.346.2 version, LTS version. So what I do, I come to Windows. I clicked on that. It is getting downloaded now. So as usual, this file will get downloaded in your downloads folder. See users in your user under that there will be downloads folder. There it will get downloaded. It's got downloaded. Now I go to that folder location. That usually will be in your username and downloads folder, right? So I just do a refresh. Now we are going to install this one, right? So this is jenkins.msi, I mean Windows package. So I just download it, Windows installer, and just double click on it. Now you will get this wizard, Windows installer wizard. Let it prepare. Right. So now we see the next button. So I click here and you will see this Jenkins folder. Suppose if you don't have you if you don't see this I mean by default you will see this Jenkins folder path. If you want to install Jenkins on different location, then you can click on change and you can give that folder path where you want to install. Okay. For now, I cancel this. I install in this default location. Right. So I click next. So here logon type there will be two options. So the the one currently selected is it's a we need domain user. We don't have domain user for Jenkins, so I go with run service as local system, right? So go to next. There will be by default 8080 port on which Jenkins will work. So I test this port, that is tested correctly. Now I go to next. So this time I'm going to mention the JDK path here. Okay, so one of the main prerequisite for Jenkins is we need to install JDK. So in my case, I have installed two versions of JDK. Suppose I can see that from Java folder, right? That Java folder path is available in program files. Usually, when you install JDK, it will get installed in your program files folder, right? So I go to the program files folder. In that Java folder, here I see two versions I have. So Jenkins will only work on Java 8 and Java 11. so that I'm not going to give this jdk 15. Instead I'm going to give this jdk 11, right? So I will only copy this and I put it over here. And prior moving this setup, we need to ensure whether we have this JDK11 path configured in our system environment variable. So there are two variables in it for Java. One is Java underscore home variable, another one is path variable. In both of the places, we need to mention JDK11. Suppose if you would have mentioned any other version, check once and update it. So I go here, environment variables I search, that's over here. I go there, I click on environment variables. Now I come to Java home variable. Here I make sure whether I have JDK 11 or not. I already have JDK 11. Suppose if you don't have it, just click on edit and give your corresponding version of JDK, right? So, and then we need to go to path variable. So let me go to path. It's over here. I go to edit. Here I verify whether I have JDK 11 installed or not. It is there already configured. JDK 11 backslash bin folder you need to give, right? That's what in path variable we need to mention. It's already there for me. So I give OK. So now the JDK installation and configuration, everything already there in my system. So that I go to Jenkins, back to Jenkins setup. I click on next. In some case, if you don't have Java not installed, so you need to download JDK from Oracle website and you can install JDK version, right? Right. So now the Jenkins setup is done. I click finish. So usually the Jenkins will work on the localhost 8080 port number. So I'm going to navigate to that particular URL. That means it is just you can type localhost 8080, enter. So once Jenkins is installed, you will see this page basically. So it will take few minutes uh, further to come up. Let's wait. Right, it came up now. So here we can give the username and password. Okay, so this username and password, in my case it directly comes in. So in your case, when you first install JDK, there you will see, after that you will see one page. Instead of this welcome to Jenkins, you will see one page called unlock Jenkins. Okay, unlock Jenkins. So in that unlock Jenkins, it will give you one initial admin password. Okay, that initial admin password, it also gives where that password resides. Okay, that path it will give. So that path, it will be in the C drive program data folder. Okay, so I go to the C drive. I search for program data. So in some cases you won't see this program data because this will be hidden basically. So If you don't see this program data, what you do, go to view and click on hidden files. Check the hidden files. So then this will appear. Okay, in my case, it's already checked, so it appears. Now I go here, and in this, there will be a folder, in the name of Jenkins. Okay, open it, and then go to .jenkins, and here you will see secrets folder. Go there, and initial admin password. If you open this in Notepad, you can copy that initial password and keep it. So that is required whenever you want to log into Jenkins, right? So in my case, I did this already as part of previous installation. That's why in this install this welcome to Jenkins, I didn't see that screen. Unlock Jenkins, I didn't see that because I multiple times I installed and installed it. That's why. Okay. So now in your case, once if you get that password and note it down in your notepad file somewhere else, you need it going forward. And then what you need to do, you just give localhost colon 8080 and enter. Directly this page will come. How I came to this page, right? Directly this page, it will come to this page. So now you can give admin and your admin password, right? Once if you give that admin password, it will get logged in. It will get logged into Jenkins. I will show you that. So 1 minute, I will get this admin password.